This is the busiest bazaar of the town. Very old indeed. And this bazaar was filled with the push carts. This bazaar was filled with the stalls. But it is the Punjab government's anti-encroachment program, due to which it has become so clean. It's very good for the buyers, for those who come here for the shopping. They can easily come and go, otherwise it was very difficult indeed. But still some of the people are selling their items outside of their own shops. But it's not easy at all. It's not easy. It has become difficult. On the one hand, those who were earning their families' needs by selling good on the push carts, by having the stalls, they people are very much unhappy, very much disturbed, and it's not clear that how will they be able to survive. Although the government has offered them an alternative place to sit and to do the business, to do the trading, but these people are of the view that the business is not there, the customers are not there, and the customers are here at the busier places, at the old bazaars. It is very good for some of the people, but for another some of the people it is very bad indeed. See, maybe the shopkeepers will be very happy. The shopkeepers will be very happy. These rickshawalas, they can come and go easily. The motorbikers, now you can see that those who do have the shop here, they can bring their motorcycles in, they can park their motorcycles outside of their own shops, which was earlier unimaginable. Now you can see that all the time the anti-encroachment cell is having parked their vehicle here, the loader vehicle here. They have announced that anybody, either the shopkeeper or the stall owner or the push cart owner, the vendor, if at all there is anything else outside of their own shop, it will be it will be carried away by the municipality. They considered it as an encroachment, and of course encroachment is not good at all. But the trouble here with in the Pakistani society is that there are lesser shops and more of the people who are seen selling their items outside in the open, either on the push cart or they are having a stall somewhere at a public place, and this is the way the people earn their livelihood. But it is all now in danger. The present Punjab government, led by CM Madam Maryam Nawaz Sharif Sahiba, they are very much against the encroachments. They are of the view that this is all an encroachment, and encroachment is totally unbearable, totally intolerable. Maybe they want to do, she want to do a different sort of governance, which is maybe good for some, but bad for the many other people. Although I am filming here, but you can see that some of the people, particularly those who are the vendors, they will be very angry that why I'm here, why am I appreciating it, why I'm not protesting it, why don't I join their protest, why don't I become their voice. And but still there are the people, they have brought whatever they bought there in the morning, and they are trying to sell it, although in a very safe way. But somehow it is a strange sort of situation with the people. They are very much angry. The vendors are very angry, the stall owners, they're very angry, but the shopkeepers are very happy. And see how the things go on further.